How to earn XP in Duolingo. Launch the Duolingo app on your device. To earn XP in Duolingo, you need to complete as many lessons as possible. You can also get an XP boost from the Duolingo shop. For that, tap on the gems icon at the top of the screen. In the special offer section, I have a double XP boost which I got by completing a friend's quest. Then click on Claim Reward. All the XP I earned from completing the lessons will be doubled for next 30 minutes. Now let's start a lesson together. As you can see, after completing a lesson, I have earned some XP. You can also check out Quest in Duolingo to earn some extra XP. To check out Quest, tap on the three-dotted icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the Quest option. Here, you can find monthly quest, daily quest, and friend quest. By completing this quest, you can earn more XP. This is how you can earn XP in Duolingo.